Hello everyone, welcome to Vedansh classes. I am Ramu, math facilitator at Oak Valley International School. Today I am going to explain area of n-sided regular polygon of side 2A. What is regular polygon? A polygon in which all sides are equal and all angles are equal, then it is called a regular polygon. Example, equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angle is 60 degrees. So it is a regular polygon with 3 sides. Now square. In square, all sides are equal and every angle is 90 degrees. So it is also a regular polygon of 4 sides. Now I want to find out the area of a regular polygon with n sides where each side measurement is 2a. Let us see the solution. Now take a regular polygon of n side which take center is O. Let me take A, B, C, D, let it be take E. Okay. Now each side how much they has given? 2A. So here how many sides are there? Let it be take n sides. Now join OA and OB. Clearly if you observe that here AOB, it's an isosceles triangle. Clearly OA is equal to OB, then it is a isosceles triangle. Here it is a regular polygon of n sides. So here we will get n isosceles triangles. If you draw it like this, these are all isosceles triangles only. Now what is the angle will be formed here? So what is the angle at the center? It is always, we know that 360 degrees, or can be written as 2 pi. So angle at the center is 360 or 2 pi with n sides. So this angle will becomes to 360 by 2, 360 by n or 2 pi by n. Now whenever you want to find out the area of n-sided regular polygon, here that n-sided regular polygon contains n isosceles triangles. So if you want to find out the area, n into area of isosceles triangle. Now draw a perpendicular to AB from O, let marked as S. This perpendicular will divide the angle into 2 equal parts. So it will becomes to pi by n and it will becomes to pi by n. And this perpendicular bisects the base into 2 equal parts. We know that in isosceles triangle the perpendicular will divide the base into 2 equal parts. So this is 2a, then it will becomes 2a and it is also becomes to a. Now it is a perpendicular. Consider triangle OAS. Clearly in triangle OAS, angle S is equal to 90 degrees and angle AOS is equal to pi by n. Now clearly to find out an area of a triangle formula, half into base into height. Clearly we have a base and we need to find out this height. Let me take this height is h. So here I need to find out h. Now take a triangle AOS. Here it is the angle pi by n and it is the opposite side and it will becomes to adjacent side. Now take the consider tan theta. So tan pi by n is equal to tan theta formula, opposite side A, adjacent side H, that is A by H. I need to find out H. So H is equal to A by tan pi by n. We got the H. I said to find out the area of n-sided regular polygon, nothing but n into area of an isosceles triangle. So clearly area of regular polygon of n-sided is equal to n into area of triangle AOB. That is n into area of triangle formula, we know that half into base into height. Half into base into height. N into half into base is nothing but AB. AB is nothing but what? 2A into height. Already we found the height is A by tan pi by n. So now clearly 2 gets cancelled. Here the remaining is n into, here you can see that area is equal to n into A square divided by tan pi by n. So this is the area of a regular polygon of n-sided with the side 2A. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.